Tummy time exercises for a baby, part of BabyPillars online home course.
In this video, you will learn the different exercises that we as parents can practice with our babies so that they learn how to lay on their stomachs in the most comfortable way. We'll begin this process with our baby laying on its back. This position is familiar and comfortable for them, and at this stage, it is also the position they spend most of their time in. Only after we familiarize our baby with its body through a step-by-step process will we move them to lay on their stomachs. Over the course of this video, you will watch and learn how your baby will learn to lay comfortably on its own, or with our help and guidance. Lay your baby on its back and establish eye contact. With one hand, cup both of your baby's feet and place your other hand beneath its pelvis. Gently roll your baby's feet towards its head and back. Do this a few times, as far as your baby allows you to. In this process, you're looking to see how far your baby's back rounds with as little as effort as possible. In the same position, begin to roll your baby's pelvis in both directions. Here too, do not roll your baby's feet with any force. Roll your baby gently to the right and gently to the left. For the entire duration of this exercise, make sure to maintain eye contact and to communicate with your baby. After this first stage, rest your baby's pelvis on your leg. Once your baby's feet are elevated, you will most likely see it bring its arms together. Gently begin to pat your baby's chest while making a smooth sound. This patting allows your baby's chest to release downward and allows the spine to round. In order to release unnecessary tension caused by gas, belly aches, or discomfort that may occur in your baby's body during their first few months. Continue to gently pat your baby's chest and vary the movement by rubbing and gently applying pressure on the chest in a downward motion. All of these actions work towards the release of tension that is present in your baby's first few months. Slowly, remove your baby's pelvis from your foot and check to see if there's any significant improvement in their leg movement towards their head. Should your baby's motions remain stagnant or stiff, repeat the previous steps until their body releases.